we are reviewing our adjective assignment. If you need any help or on remembering some adjectives that we learned, or you can always look back on to this video I posted. It lists adjective words. Oops. Okay, so this is what your screen should look like. You have 7 questions, but this one is counted more since there's more work. So let's go look at to see where everyone's at. So let's go to view responses. So let's go look at question number 1. We are all doing good. What is an adjective? Yeah, everyone's doing good. An adjective is a describing word. That is correct. Number 2, this one was the more work. What you need to do is just draw lines from each food to the describing word. So let's look at everybody's. Everyone looks like they're doing good. I haven't had a chance to grade everybody's, but let's just look at someone's answer. As you can see, everyone's doing good. So let's go to number 3. This one, we're still waiting on a response, so that's fine. You just need to find an adjective that describes the giraffe and the leaves. So big and green, tall, huge are all great ones. Number 4, looks like everyone's doing good. Just remember that an adjective is a describing word for a noun. So although the watermelon is a noun, there is no describing word in front of it. So that describing word would be small, since it is a small ant. So make sure you go back and check your work and change that answer. This one we're doing great as well. It looks good. Yeah. Just remember like I said on question 4, oh, great job for changing it, that you need to find the describing word. Although these aren't describing words, the describing word would be beautiful. So if you wanted to go back and change those answers, that would be great. It looks like everyone's working pretty quickly, so that's a great job. This one is people are struggling on this one a little bit, but that's completely fine. It looks like everyone has the curly part. So curly, curly, curly. That's good. Good job, guys. But it just looked like the second one is what's tripping everyone up, which is completely fine. So let's go over this one. My mom brushed my curly hair while I ate a delicious sandwich. So what you want to do is find both the nouns and then find the describing words, the adjectives to go with those nouns. So if we went over the sentence, the nouns that I see are mom, hair, and sandwich. Those are the few of the nouns that I see in the sentence. So it looks like everyone has the adjective word for hair, which would be curly, because it is saying their hair is curly. So let's go over the next one. Delicious sandwich. The sandwich is delicious. So if you guys want to go back and change that answer, that would be great. So we can get all 100. Oh, now you have. There you go. There you go, Jack. Zoe, and you can fill that one in as well. So let's go to number 7. This one was you need to type or write 3 adjectives that best describe you. So let's see what everyone has to say. A few people haven't done this one, which is completely fine, but it looks like all of these are good nouns. So let's just wait for a couple more people to fill in those words. Maya, good job. You're starting out. Short is a good one. Let's see. Let's wait for everyone else. Yeah, those are great ones. Let me give you your points. Good job. So it looks like everyone is doing a great job on adjectives. So, good job, everybody.